And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. After a very warm and humid weekend both yesterday and today, we are going to see some relief over the next few days, all thanks to a cool front which is now entering the upper valley, the northern ranchlands. We have been seeing some showers and thunderstorms well ahead of the front, moving fast into Mexico, but no severe weather is expected. We could see a few more showers and thunderstorms over the next hour or so. We'll zoom in here. You can see those thunderstorms pushing through the mid and lower valley. We've seen these thunderstorms and showers in Weslaco, Harlingen, McAllen, pushing into Santa Maria, entering Tamaulipas, pushing off to the south. Again, no severe weather is expected, and the winds have picked up. We've got winds out of the northeast. The temperatures right now are still in the upper 70s. In McAllen, Edinburg, mid-70s in Weslaco, lower 80s in Brownsville, 78 in Harlingen. Here are the current winds out of the northeast in all areas from Brownsville to Port Isabel. We got a gust of 33 in Harlingen, McAllen, 28 in Weslaco, 29 miles per hour in Port Isabel. So a spotty shower or thunderstorm still possible at 7 o'clock this evening with temperatures in the lower 80s. We think that front should clear the lower valley perhaps around mid-evening. Temperatures are in the lower 70s at 9 p.m. and then upper 60s at 11 o'clock tonight. A cool evening with decreasing clouds. And by the way, the kids will want that sweater or jacket tomorrow morning before school because those morning lows will be in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Best of all, that humidity will take a good break for the next day or so. So here's the surface map front entering our area. We've been seeing a lot of showers and thunderstorms to the east in the Houston area, moving into Louisiana. A lot of showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front for Mississippi and Alabama. But behind it, high pressure building into the Lone Star State. Very stable air mass. And here's future track. We actually have a couple of fronts pushing through the valley this week. That's the best news of all. So it is cool for tomorrow morning. As I said, temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Another front, a dry one, comes in, giving us a second surge of cooler air for the middle of the week. And then a third front should arrive here in the valley by Friday. That'll be cool us off even more. Get this, we could be looking at high temperatures only in the 70s by this coming Saturday and Sunday. On the water, small craft advisory is in effect through tomorrow morning, both for the Bay and Gulf waters. We'll have winds out of the northeast and north at 10 to 20 knots. The Bay waters will be choppy early on this evening, then becoming a moderate chop later on tonight. Next tide is a high tide at 7:41 this evening. Look at the seas, 6 to 11 feet. So your forecast for tonight, the clouds decrease later on this evening. Again, there is a chance for some early spotty showers or thunderstorms. The forecast lows right around 60, some places even in the upper 50s, especially for the northern ranchlands. We'll have winds out of the north at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, and they're the key words, not humid. High temperatures will only be in the mid-80s. We'll have winds out of the north and northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. So let's talk about that 7-day forecast. And these temperatures are going to be much nicer, folks, over the next 7 days. Look at this. 86 for tomorrow's high. We're down to 57 degrees when you wake up Tuesday morning. So the kids will still want those sweaters or jackets before school for the next couple of mornings because we're down to 55 by Wednesday morning. 87 is the high temperature on Tuesday. That second front comes in on Wednesday. It's actually on Tuesday, so it's a dry front for Tuesday, but cooler on Wednesday with highs in the lower 80s. We're down to 54 degrees by Thursday morning. A little bit warmer again for Thursday with highs in the upper 80s, mostly sunny skies. We'll put in a very slight chance of a shower on Friday. Front number 3 comes in between Friday and Saturday, so look at that. By next weekend, we expect those high temperatures to only be in the 70s during the day, with morning lows in the 50s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Brandon.